Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving right into how to create, assign, and track sprints in teamwork.com. The first step is simple. After logging into teamwork.com, navigate to the Board tab. This is where all your Agile project management happens. It's critical because it provides an overview of your project's progress and helps you manage your sprints effectively. Now that we've done that, let's move to step 2. Click on the Add Sprint button to create a new sprint. You'll need to name your sprint and set its duration. The reason we do this is to organize your tasks into manageable chunks, which align with your project's timeline. Next up, it's time to assign tasks to your sprint. Simply click on the tasks and drag them to your newly created sprint. This helps us because it ensures that each task is linked to a specific sprint, making tracking progress easier. Once your tasks are assigned, you're ready to start tracking your sprint. Click on the sprint and select Track Progress. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. Teamwork.com is using the start and end dates of your sprint to calculate the remaining time. It also shows the completed tasks versus the total tasks, providing a quick snapshot of your sprint's progress. Now let me explain why this matters. Tracking your sprint in Teamwork.com allows you to monitor your team's productivity, spot potential delays, and adjust plans in real time. It's an essential part of Agile project management. Finally, you can update your sprint status as tasks are completed. Simply click on the task and select Mark as Complete. This automatically updates your sprint progress, helping you maintain transparency and accuracy in your project management. And there we go. That's your crash course on creating, assigning, and tracking sprints in Teamwork.com. Remember, effective sprint management is key to successful project delivery. Keep practicing these steps, and you'll be a pro in no time. Happy sprinting!